Listen, we really need to have a totally honest conversation today about the reality of wealth creation. The whole era of the get-rich-quick side hustle, yeah, it's over. Done. Looking at the landscape today, those low-barrier, high-effort gigs are just fading fast. If you're still treating your income streams like disposable weekend projects, honestly, you are setting yourself up for failure. True financial independence isn't magic, it's engineering. You need to stop grinding and start architecting. Ready to roll up our sleeves? This guide will walk you step by step through building a sustainable, scalable engine for digital product marketing from scratch. Look at this paradigm shift because you absolutely have to make this mental leap right now. In the gig economy, if you're just trading your time for money, you're on a fast track to inevitable burnout. Plus, AI is basically automating all those entry-level tasks away. But over on the digital asset side, that's where the modern market really rewards architects. I want you to think of your business not as a bunch of tasks, but as an actual machine. And a machine requires a structural foundation, an engine, fuel, and an operator. When you build proprietary modular systems, say, an automated email sequence that handles thousands of customers simultaneously, you get compounding value. And the best part, you don't have to give up any more of your own time. Okay, I've got a hard truth for you just to set your expectations straight right out of the gate. The word passive is a complete misnomer for the first 6 to 12 months of this journey. Building a self-sustaining asset takes an intense, grueling period of front-loaded active labor. There's no getting around it. You've got to endure this build phase without seeing massive immediate gratification. But here's the payoff. You build the machine once, you troubleshoot it, and only then do you get to just sit back and harvest the output over and over again. To pull this off, you need to know exactly how to construct this machine step by step. So here's our master schematic for today. 1. Validate before you build. 2. Choose your engine. 3. The legal and tax chassis. 4. Protecting the machine. 5. The audience fuel. And 6. Autopilot and maintenance. Let's kick things off with phase 1. Validate before you build, identifying profitable problems. The absolute biggest mistake I see beginners make is building a product that literally nobody wants. Profit is simply your reward for solving a burning need within a very specific niche. In our AI-saturated worlds, basic research just won't cut it anymore. Step 1 is deep market research. Look at the hard data, sure, but combine it with qualitative sentiment. Read your competitors' reviews. What are people actively complaining about? Step 2, identify the gaps. Like, if everyone's selling generic digital planners, maybe your gap is a hyper-tactical planner made specifically for traveling nurses. And step 3, this is non-negotiable, model scalability. Look at your plan. If your business requires you to be physically present for every single transaction, congratulations, you haven't built an asset. You've just created another job for yourself. Moving on to phase 2, choose your engine, high-yield income streams. Your engine is the core mechanism of your machine. It's how you actually generate that high-margin revenue. Now, you do not need 50 different streams. You just need one really powerful engine to start. Here are your primary options. The creator economy lets you monetize your direct expertise on platforms like Teachable or Gumroad. Digital products leverage tools like Canva to turn creative tasks into a literal 24/7 manufacturing line on Etsy. You could build authority hubs through YouTube or podcasts to capture ad revenue. Then there's integrated affiliate marketing, and please don't just spam links. Recommend products that genuinely help your audience on high-trust platforms like LinkedIn. Finally, e-commerce using Shopify and 3PL, which is third-party logistics. Outsourcing your fulfillment gets you out of the business of moving cardboard boxes so you can focus 100% on growth. Pick one of these and build it well. All right, phase 3, the legal and tax chassis, building the foundation. Listen to me really closely here because this is crucial. A high-performance engine sitting around without a protective legal chassis is literally just expensive scrap metal. And that number, Form 1040 specifically paired with Schedule SE for self-employment tax, yeah, that is the ultimate villain in so many beginner stories. Let me give you a quick reality check. I know a digital entrepreneur who absolutely crushed their first year, hitting 50 grand in profit, but they treated it like a hobby and totally ignored the 15.3% self-employment tax. Come tax season, bam, they got hit with a bill that instantly wiped out their cash flow and just crashed all their early momentum. Do not let this be you. Master your tax code early. Now, as your digital machine starts to mature, you get to play with the fun stuff, advanced tax strategies. Mature businesses know how to use Section 179 deductions to write off heavy equipment costs, and they strategically manage net operating losses to offset profits during major growth phases. Always use a CPA for this. But moving beyond taxes, for the love of everything, do not skip liability insurance. Even if your business is 100% digital, you still face massive risks like data breaches or copyright disputes. A single unfortunate incident should absolutely not destroy the asset you've worked so hard to build. Which brings us to phase 4, protecting the machine, cybersecurity, and risk management. Did you know the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center explicitly reports that account takeovers are the single primary threat to digital entrepreneurs today? It's wild. Your business is literally only as secure as its absolute weakest link. That's why multi-factor authentication, or MFA, is completely non-negotiable. Think of it as a heavy-duty, high-security padlock on your business's front door. You need this turned on for every single account, from your domain registrar right down to your payment processor. And hey, since you're probably working from home, you've got to fortify your home network too. Get a dedicated business VPN and use robust hardware firewalls. Make no mistake, phishing is your ultimate enemy here. It is by far the most successful vector for attackers. You've got to train yourself to spot social engineering like a mile away. Because here's the reality of the situation. Once your machine actually starts generating significant reliable profit, you become a highly visible target. You must maintain offline air-gapped backups of your digital assets. Basically, if a ransomware attack hits you out of nowhere, an air-gapped backup guarantees that your business survives and keeps on operating. Next up, phase 5, the audience fuel, growing your superfans. All right, you've got your engine, your chassis, and your security dialed in. Now you need fuel, and I've got to give you some tough love about where you're probably wasting your energy on social media. Look at the stark difference in ownership here. TikTok and Instagram, sure, they're fantastic for discovery, but that is a rented audience. You are building your house on someone else's land. If the algorithm changes tomorrow, you practically vanish. YouTube and blogs are great for building trust, but again, it's mostly rented space. The ultimate goal here is to funnel these rented audiences straight into your email list. Your email list is an owned asset. It's actual property. Your entire marketing funnel needs to be explicitly designed to drive that short-form video discovery directly into your highly valuable owned email sequences. Once they're actually in your ecosystem, that's when you apply the SBAC community approach. Now, what's a superfan? It's a customer who doesn't just casually consume your stuff. They buy absolutely every single product you release. And how do you get them? By building a genuinely authentic community. You have to stop broadcasting at people and start actively interacting with them. Radical transparency and high-touch support are what turn passive consumers into incredibly vocal advocates for your brand. And finally, phase 6, autopilot and maintenance, turning the on switch. Your foundation is fully secure. Your audience is actively flowing in, and now you get to flip the switch. This is where the sheer magic of scalable systems really happens. You're going to automate your customer service with AI chatbots to handle all those repetitive questions. You streamline your sales funnels to make the customer journey completely frictionless. You rigorously check your data analytics to prune out low-performing products that are just dragging down your margins. And then you take a step back and schedule periodic strategic reviews. By institutionalizing all these automated processes, that grueling initial labor we talked about earlier finally transforms into a repeatable, highly scalable asset that generates true hands-off revenue. Look, I want to leave you with one final piece of coaching advice. Stop aiming for perfection. Seriously, perfection is just an illusion that keeps beginners totally trapped in the planning phase forever. Instead, aim for a system that actually functions, that scales, and that actively protects you. Pick one high-yield stream and just build your minimum viable product today. Lock it down with the proper legal and digital safeguards and get it out into the market. So here's the ultimate question I have for you. What piece of your machine are you going to build today? You've got to stop acting like a gig worker who's just sitting around waiting for the next task to be handed to them. You have the blueprint now. The transition from side hustle to a legitimate digital enterprise is tough, no doubt about it, but it is literally the only path to genuine financial independence. It's time to step up, architect your freedom, and get to building. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're ready to take your digital product sales to the next level, I have something truly exciting to share with you. Lead Creator AI is designed to revolutionize the way you connect with your audience and boost your online sales effortlessly. Imagine having a powerful tool that not only understands your business needs, but also helps you create targeted leads that convert. This is your chance to see it in action and discover how it can transform your sales strategy. I invite you to watch the exclusive demo presented by the founder of Lead Creator AI. This is more than just a product demonstration. It's a glimpse into the vision and passion behind the technology. The founder shares insights on how Lead Creator AI is tailored to help you achieve the success you've been striving for. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your existing digital product sales, this tool provides smart automation, lead generation, and customer engagement strategies that work seamlessly. The demo will show you how easy it is to integrate Lead Creator AI into your current workflow, saving you time and increasing your revenue potential. It's designed to be user-friendly so you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing products. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your business. Watching the demo is the first step toward unlocking the full potential of Lead Creator AI. You'll see real examples of how it can help you attract more customers, nurture leads, and close sales faster than ever before. The success stories from users just like you are inspiring and prove that with the right tools, your digital products can reach new heights. Take a moment now to click the link below and start your journey to greater success.